Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Binance for the beginners. Today, if you are a beginner, you can learn how to trade on the Binance with the basic concept of the Binance app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, now to know about the trade, you can simply tap on to trade button right here. Now trade simply means converting, spotting or margining or buying and selling. Now tap on to convert option right here. Now this convert option means that you can convert one of the currencies onto the other one. Just like this, the one is USDT that you can change to the AIXBT. Now tap on to the number just like this and you can simply convert it. Now you can see it has been converted, and after converting it you can simply trade it. Now tap on to spot and you can simply find all of the analysis and detailed informations about the currencies. Then tap on to margin right here to know about the margin of the buying and selling of the currencies, just like this. Then tap on to buy and sell right here to buy or sell the currencies or cryptos that you want to buy or sell. And that's it. These are the things that you can know about how to trade on Binance for the beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.